Hello friends, now we'll start the new topics from the application of the derivative, that is the approximation. Now let us start. Again, this topic is very simple. You can understand all the problems, whatever that I had explained. If f of x is a differentiable function of x, then its a derivative at x is equals to a is given by, this is the formula, that is f dash of a is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Here we use this sign, that is the approximation sign. It's for the, this sign is for the approximation. F dash of for sufficiently small h, we have f dash of a is approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a upon h, that is h into f dash of a is approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Therefore, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. This is the formula to find the approximate values of the function at x is equals to a plus h. When f dash of a exists, now the first examples, find the approximate value of in root of 64.1. Now it's clear that the 64 is it's a nearest, that is a square root value is 8. We want to find out the square root of 64.1, and that's why here we'll write what is our function is here. The function is a root of the quantity. Therefore, we write the function f of x is equals to a root of x. Suppose here that here is a cubic root of this quantity. Then we will write here f of x is equals to x raised to cubic root of x or x raised to 1 upon 3. Therefore, first we want to define what type of the function is given. Here the function is square root. Therefore, f of x is equals to root x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to 1 upon 2 root x. And now here we have that is 64. That is 64. This is the first a is equals to 64. Here we define, and h is equals to 0.1. For x is equals to a is equals to 64, and from 1 we get f dash of a is equals to root of 64, that is equals to 8. This is the third. Now we'll find out the values, that is f of a plus h into f dash of a. X is equals to a is equals to 64. Therefore from 2 we get, it's a derivative, f dash of a. What's the derivative of root of x? The derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 times root x. In the same manner, we'll write here 1 upon 2 in root of 64. That is 1 upon 2 into 8. That is 1 upon 16. Therefore, f dash of a is equals to 1 upon 16. This is 4. Now we'll substitute the values. Now we have f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. And that is equals to 64. F of 64.01 is equals to f of 64 plus h into f dash of, that is 0.1 into f dash of 64. What is f of 64? F of 64, that is 8 plus 0.1 into f dash of 64. Now we want to find out its a derivative. That is a 0.0625. It's a value. That is a 1 upon 16. Therefore, total is, that is 8.0625. This is the f of x is equals to f of 64.1 is equals to root of 64.1, and that is equals to 8.00625. Second, find the approximate value of 3.98 bracket raised to 3. Now here we have the function, cubic function is there. What is here? F of x is equals to this, whatever that this quantity raised to 3. Therefore our function is defined as f of x is equals to x cube. Now differentiate this with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to 3x square. Let a is equals to, what is the nearest value? That is the nearest value for 3.98 is 4. And that's why we take here a is equals to 4 and h is equals to minus 0.02. And that's why x is equals to a is equals to 4. From 1 we get f of a is equals to f of 4 is equals to 4 raised to 3. For x is equals to a is equals to 4, we get f dash of a is equals to f dash of a, that is a f dash of 4, that is equals to 3 4 raised to 2, that is a 48. We have f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of 4 plus h into f dash of 4. Therefore, f of 4 plus 0. Plus in bracket minus 0.02 is approximately equal to f of 4 plus, this is the value of h. H is minus 0.02 into f dash of 4. Now substitute the value. That is f of 64 plus minus 0.02 into 48. That is 64 minus 0.96. 63.04. Therefore, f of 3.98 is approximately equal to 63.04. Now, third, find the approximate value of sine 30 degree and 30 minutes, given that 1 degree is equals to 0.0175 radian and the value of cos 30 is equals to 0.866. Now again, what type of the function is? The function is a sine function. F of x is equals to sine x. Now it's a derivative. F dash of x is equals to cos x. Therefore, now we'll express this. We want to find out the value of, that is a sine of 30 degree and 30 minutes, and it can be expressed as 30 degree plus 30 minutes. But the 30 minutes means what? The half degree, 1 upon 2 degree. That is 1 degree means 60 minutes. Therefore, this is a 1 upon 2 degree. Therefore, it is a pi by 6. 30 degree means pi by 6. And the value of 1 degree, that is a 0.1750 upon 2. That is, we find out the value of 30 minutes. And this is in the radian. That is a pi by 6 plus 0.00875. Now a is equals to pi by 6 and h is equals to 0.00875. Now again, here x is equals to 8 is equals to pi by 6. That is f of a means what? F of pi by 6, that is the sine of pi by 6, that is equals to 1 upon 2, that is a 0.5. For x is equals to a, pi by 6, and from 2 we get f dash of a is equals to the derivative of sine, that is f dash of pi by 6 is equals to cos of pi by 6, and that's the value that we have given. It is a 0.866. And now we have all the values. Now we will substitute these values in this formula. This is the important formula, that is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of pi by 6 plus 0.00875 radian is approximately equal to f of pi by 6 plus 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 6. Now you have the textbook. You can see also from the textbook. That's why I'm not showing my written file. Now the multiplication. That is 0.5 plus 0.075775. Add it, then you will get 0.575775. Therefore, this is the value, approximate value. Now the next is number 4. Find the approximate value of tan inverse of 0.99. Now it is closest to 1. Here we have given that the value of pi is 3.1416. Let f of x is equals to tan inverse of x. This is our function. F of x is equals to tan inverse of x. It's a derivative. That's we know from the chapter number 1. Now differentiate this. F dash of x is equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square. A is equals to 1. X is equals to 0.01. That is 1 minus 0.99. Then you will get the value of h. H is 0.01. X is equals to A is equals to 1. From 1 we get f of 1 is equals to f of A is equals to tan inverse of 1. What is the tan inverse of 1? Is pi by 4. For x is equals to A is equals to 1. From 2 we get f dash of A is equals to f dash of 1. That is a 1 upon. The derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. That's why it is a 1 upon 1 square. Therefore, this is the formula. Every time we require this formula and we want to substitute the values of f of a, h, f dash of a. Then we will get the answer. F of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now what is the value of a? A is 1. H is minus 0.01. Therefore that is equal to approximately f of 1 plus minus in bracket 0.01 into f dash of 1. And that's why f of 0.99 is approximately equal to pi by 4 minus 0.01 into 0.5. That's why from 3 and 4 you will get the value. This is the pi by 4 minus 0.05. And if you substitute the value, that is a 3.14 upon the value of pi upon 4 minus 0.05. Then you will get the answer. That is a 0.7854 minus 0.005. That is 0.7804. Therefore, f of 0.99 is equals to tan inverse of 0.99. That is equals to 0.7804. Now the next is problem number 5. Find the approximate value of e raised to 1.005. Given that E is equals to 2.7183. Now f of x is equals to e raised to x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to e raised to x. It's a derivative. Now here a is equals to 1 and h is equals to 0.005. Therefore from 1 we get f of a is equals to f of 1 is equals to e raised to 1 and the value of e is 2.7183. These are the values we require. Next is a is equals to 1. From 2 we get f dash of a is equals to f dash of 1, that is 2.7183. This is the fourth. Now we have f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is equals to f of 1 plus 0.005 is approximately equal to f of 1 plus 0.005 into f dash of 1. That is equals to f of 1.005 is approximately equal to 2.7183 plus 0.005 into 2.7183, and after multiplication you will get the result. And that's why the answer is 2.7318915. This is the f of 1.005. That is approximately equal to e raised to 1.005 is approximate to 2.73189. Now the 6. Find the approximate value of log of 998 to the base 10. Given that log of e to the base 10 is equals to 0.4343. F of x is equals to log of x to the base 10. Now it can be written as log of x upon log of 10. Now here f of x is equals to log of e to the base 10. Now, this is the important step. It's written as like this. That is 1 upon log of 10 to the base e is written as log of e to the base 10 into log of x is as it is. Now differentiate this with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to log of e to the base 10 and derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Therefore, and its value that we have given, it's a 0.4343 upon x. Now let here a is equals to 1000, h is equals to minus 2. That is the 998 is the nearest to the 1000. And therefore we take a is equals to 1000, h is equals to minus 2. For x is equals to a, that is equals to 1000. Now we'll find out the value. F of a. F of a means out 1000. That is the log of 1000 to the base 10. That is mean 10 raised to 3 to the base 10. That is equals to 3 into log of 10 to the base 10. That is equals to 3. 3 into 1. That is 3. Now the next value we will require, that is the f dash of a. That is f of a. A is equals to 1000. And therefore from 2 we get f dash of a. That is the f dash of 1000, which is a 0.4343 upon 1000, and that is again 0.0004343. Now we will substitute the values. we have f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is f of 1000 plus in bracket minus 2 is approximately equal to f of 1000 plus minus 2 into f dash of 1000. That is f of 998 is approximately equal to 3 minus 2 into 0.00004343. Now perform their multiplication. That is equals to 3 minus 0.0008686. And I am explaining this all the solved problems. They are important. They are asked in this board exam and also the CET exam. That's why I am including in 12th standard all the solved problems. They are very also typical problems. Therefore, f of 998 is equals to, that is a 2.9991314. Now the next problem, find the approximate value of this type of the problems. Also asking board exam, find the approximate value of the given polynomial. F of x is equals to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x is equals to 1.98. F of x is equals to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3. Now differentiate it. F dash, that is 3x square plus 10x minus 2. Next is a is equals to 2, the nearest value 1.98. Its nearest value a is equals to 2 and h is equals to minus 0.02. For x is equals to a is equals to 2. From 1 we get f of a is equals to f of 2 is equals to, we'll find out the value of that polynomial. Replace x by 2, then you will get that is f of a is equals to 31 minus 4. That is f of a is equals to 27. For x is equals to a is equals to 2. From 2 we get f dash of a is equals to f dash of 2, and that is equals to 3 into 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 2. Therefore f dash of 2 is equals to, that is 30, the total value. Now we substitute this value in that formula. That f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore f of 2 plus in bracket minus 0.02 is approximately equal to f of 2 plus 0.002 into f dash of 2. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. And now we will start the exercise 2.2. Now the first example, find approximate value of given function at required points. The first is square root of 8.95. This is the board question. Now the function is f of x is equals to root x. Therefore its a value f dash of x is equals to 1 upon 2 times root x. A is equals to 9. The nearest value. A is equals to 9 and h is equals to minus 0.05. Then next is f of a is equals to f of 9. That is equals to root of 9 is equals to 3. F dash of a, that is f dash of 9 is equals to 1 upon 2 into root of 9. That is root of 9 is 6, 6 into root of 9 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore, by using the formula for the approximation, f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is the root of 8.95. This is approximately equal to f of 9 minus 0.05. That is f of 9 minus 0.05 into f dash of 9. That is f of 9 is 3 minus 0.05 into 1 upon 6. That is a 3 minus 0.083. That is a 2.9917. That is a 8.95. This is approximately equal to 9.9917. Now the cubic root of 28. Let f of x is equals to cubic root of x. F dash of x, that is the derivative of x raised to 1 upon 3. That is 1 upon 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3. It's a derivative. That is the 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 upon 3. F dash of x. That is 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. Now that take the values. A is equals to A is equals to 27, h is equals to 1. Then f of a, that is f of 27, that is the cubic root of 27, that is equals to 3. F dash of a, that is a 1 upon 3 into 27 raised to 2 upon 3. That is 1 upon 3 into 9. That is a 27 raised to 2 upon 3. First of all, we find out its a cubic root. That is cubic root of 27 is 3. And then we will take the square of 3, which is the 9. Therefore, it is a 9. 3 into 9, 27. Therefore, f dash of a is equals to 1 upon 27, that is equals to 0.0370. And what is our formula? We will substitute the values. The formula for the approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is cubic root of 28 is approximately equal to f of 27. F of 28 is approximately equal to f of 27 plus 1. That is f of 27 plus 1 into f dash of 27. Therefore, that is equals to 3 plus 1.1 into 0.0370. That is a 3.0370. Up to 4 decimal places. Therefore, cubic root of 27 is equals to 3.0370. Now also we'll see here. I want to show you the first example. This was the first example. F of x is equals to root x, f dash of a 1 upon 2 root x, a is equals to 9, h is equals to minus 0.05, f of a, its a value is 3, f dash 1 upon 2 times root x, 1 upon 6. This is the formula, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. If we substitute all these values, then you will get a root of 8.89 is equals to 2.9917. And now this is the problem. That is cubic root of 28, cubic root of x. This is function. We find out its derivative. 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 upon 3. F dash of x 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. A is a 27, h is equals to 1. We can find out the cubic root of 27. Its a nearest value is a 27. Now, next is see this here, okay. F of a, it's a cubic root is 3, f dash of a 1 upon 3 into 9, 1 upon 27. Its value at 1 upon 27, 0.0370. The formula for the approximation f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is the cubic root of 28 is equals to f of 28. That is f of 27 plus 1. And that is equals to f of 27 plus 1 into f dash of 27. That is the 3 plus 1.1 into 0.0370. If you perform their multiplication, then you will get cubic root of 28 is equals to 3.0370. Now the next problem is fifth root of 31.98. Now this is the nearest to 32. And the fifth root of 32 is 5. Therefore, the function is f of x is equals to fifth root of x, that is x raised to 1 upon 5. It's a derivative. That is f dash of x is equals to 1 upon 5 into 1 upon x raised to 4 upon 5. F dash of x. That is 1 upon 5 into x raised to 4 upon 5. Take a is equals to 32 and h is equals to 0.02. That is minus. F of a is equals to f of 32, that is equals to 32 raised to 1 upon 5, that is equals to 2. F dash of a is equals to 1 upon 5 into 32 raised to 4 upon 5. That is 5 into 2 raised to 5 get cancelled, 2 raised to 4. That is 5, 2 raised to 4, 16. 16 into 5, that is 1 upon 80. F dash of a is equals to 1 upon 80. And its value is a 0.0125. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of 31.98 is equal to f of 32 minus 0.02. That is f of 32 minus 0.02 into f dash of 32. That is, if we substitute the values, f of 32 is 2 minus 0.02, f dash of 32 is 0.125. And after the calculations, you will get 1.9975. Therefore, fifth root of 31.98 is equals to 1.9975. See this also here. This is the problem. That is the fifth root of 31.98. F of x is equals to f dash of x. That is 1 upon 5 into 1 upon x raised to 4.5. It's a derivative. Now here a is equals to 32, h is equals to minus 0.02. F of a is equals to f of 32 raised to 1 upon 5, that is equals to 2. F dash of a is equals to 1 upon 5 into 32 raised to 4 upon 5. 32 means what? 2 raised to 5. This 5 get cancelled. 2 raised to 4 means what? 16. 16 into 5, that is a 1 upon 80. Calculate its value, that is a 0.0125. Now the formula for the approximation, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is approximately equal to f of 31.98 is approximately equal to f of 32 minus 0.02. Substitute the value, f of 32 minus 0.02, 0.02 into f dash of 32. That is a 2 minus 0.02 into 0.0125. Now their multiplication is that is a 2 minus 0.00025, and that's why you will get, after the subtraction, that is 1.99975. Fifth root of 31.98 is equals to 1.99975. Now the next is that is a 3.97 raised to 4. Now here the function f of x is equals to x raised to 4. It's a derivative. F dash of x is equals to 4x cubed. Now here we'll take the value of a is 4 and h is minus 0.03. Then f of a is equals to f of 4 is equals to 4 raised to 4. That is a 256. And f dash of a is equals to f dash of 4, that is equals to 4 into x raised to 3. That is a 4 into 4 raised to 3, that is a 256. The formula for the approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now substitute the values, you will get the answer. That is that is a 3.97 bracket raised to 4. That is f of 4 minus 0.03 into f dash of 4. That is a 256 minus 0.03 into 256. That is equals to 256 minus 7.68. Therefore, the answer is 248.32, and that's why that is a 3.97 bracket raised to 4 is equals to 248.32. This is the answer. see this again. This is the problem. That is 3.97 raised to 4. F of x is equals to x raised to 4. F dash of x is equals to 4x cube. A is equals to 4. H is equals to minus 0.03. Then f of a 4 raised to 4. Function is x raised to 4. That is a 256. F dash, that is f dash of 4. That is 4 raised to 3. That is again 256. Formula for the approximation. F of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is a 3.97 raised to 4 is approximately equal to f of 4 minus 0.03 into f dash of 4. And that's why we have the value 256 minus 0.03 into 256. Their multiplication is a 7.68 and its a subtraction is a 248.32 and hence 3.97 raised to 4 is a 248.32. Now see the next. Now the example number 5, 4.01 raised to 3. Let f of x is equals to x raised to 3. F dash of x is equals to 3x square. Here a is equals to 4 and h is equals to 0.01. Then f of a is equals to f of 4, that is a 4 raised to 3, that is equals to 64, and f dash of a is equals to 3 into a square, that is a 3 into 4 square, that is equals to 3 into 16, that is equals to 48. Then formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a, that is 4.03 bracket raised to 3 is approximately equal to f of 4 plus 0.03. By mistake I have written 1 there. Perhaps I will have the correction there. Okay. That is h is 0 point correct. It is correct one. And we have the value, that is a 4.01 bracket raised to 3 is equals to 64.48. Now you can see this. Now we'll see the same problem. Here is f of x. Then it's a derivative. A is equals to h is equals to, that is a f of a, it's a value, f dash of a, its value is 48. By using the formula for the approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a, that is f of 4 plus 0.01 into f dash of 4, and that is equals to 64 plus 0.01 into 48, that is equals to 64 plus 0.48, and that's why 64.48. Therefore, the cube of 4.01 is equals to 64.48. Now the next is question number 2. Find the approximate value of, these are very important problems asked in board exam. Let us find the approximate value of 61 degree. We know the value of 60 degree, but we don't know the 61. But we can find out with the help of the application of the derivative approximation formula. Now function f of x is equals to sin x, f dash of x is equals to cos x, A is equals to 60 degree pi by 3. H is equals to 1 degree, that is a 0.0175 radian. Then f of A plus f of A is equals to f of pi by 3, that is a sine of pi by 3, that is equals to root 3 upon 2, and its value 1.732 upon 2, that is a 0.866. F dash of A is equals to f dash of pi by 3, which is cos of pi by 3, that is equals to 1 upon 2, and it is a 0.5. Now the formula for approximation is f of A plus H is approximately equal to f of A plus H into f dash of A, that is equals to sine of 61 degree, that is f of 61 degree is equals to f of pi by 3 plus 0.0175, which is f of pi by 3 plus 0.0175 into f dash of pi by 3. And what is the value of f of pi by 3? Is 0.866 plus 0.0175 into 1 upon 2. That was 0.866 plus 0.00875. If you add it, then you will get that is 87475. This is a 61 degree. Sine of 61 degree is equals to 0.87475. There is a correction in the answer. I have corrected it. If you are agree, then write this my answer. Now the next is, again you can see this here also. F of x is equals to sin x, f dash is equals to 60 degree pi by 3, value of 1 degree 0.0175 radian. F of A, f of pi by 3, sine of pi by 3 root 3 upon 2, 1.732 upon 2, 0.866, f dash of A, f dash of pi by 3, cos of pi by 3, 1 upon 2, 0.5. The formula for the approximation. F of A plus H is approximately equal to f of A plus H into f dash of A. Sine of 61 degree, f of 61 degree, f of pi by 3 plus 0.0175, f of pi by 3 plus 0.0175 into f dash of pi by 3. Substitute the values, that is a 0.866 plus 0.0175 into 1 upon 2. And after the calculations, you will get this answer, that is sine of 61 degree is equals to 0.87475. Now next is sine of 29 degree and 30 minutes. The nearest value will be the 30 degree, and h is equals to minus 30 minutes, that is 1 degree upon 2. Function is f of x is equals to sin x. The values of root 3, 1.732. F of x is equals to sin x, f dash of x is equals to cos x. A is equals to 30 degree and h is equals to minus, that is it must be the minus, okay, that is a 30 minutes 1 degree upon 2, that is a 0.175 upon 2, which is minus, right here, minus sign is there, that is a minus 0.0875 radian, 30 degree, and h is minus 0.00875 radian. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a, that is approximately equal to sine of 29 degree and 30 minutes is approximately equal to f of 30 degree minus 0.00875 into f dash of 30 degree. And now their values. F of 30 degree, what's its a value? That is sine 30 degree minus 0.00875 into cos of 30 degree, that is 1 upon 2 minus 0.0875 into, it's a root 3 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 minus 0.0875, the value of root 3, 1.732 upon 2, that is 0.5 minus 0.875 into 0.866. Now there is multiplication 0.5 minus 0.75775, that is 0.4242, that is equals to approximately 0.42423. Therefore, sine of 29 degree and 30 minutes, that's equals to 0.42423. This is the value. Now see this, how it is calculated. Board sine of 29 degree 30 minutes 1 degree root 3 function f of x is equals to sin x, it's a derivative. A is equals to 30, h is equals to minus 30 minutes 1 degree, it's 1 minute up 1 degree upon 2. We find out its a value, h is equals to minus 0.00875 radian. A is equals to h is equals to. The formula for the approximation, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of 30 degree minus 0.00875 f dash of 30. Substitute the values. Cos f dash of 30, that is the cos 30, is root 3 upon 2, value 1.732 upon 2, and you will get this value. This is equals to, that is 0.42423. This is the answer. Now the next is number 3. That is the cos of 60 degree and 30 minutes. Given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian. Root 3 is equals to 1.732. Let f of x is equals to cos x. F dash of x is equals to minus sin x. A is equals to 60 degree, which is pi by 3, and h is equals to 30 minutes, that is 1 upon 2 degree, which is the value of 1 degree, the 0.0175 upon 2 radian. That is h is equals to 0.00875 radian. Then f of a is equals to f of pi by 3, that is the cos of pi by 3, that is equals to 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. F dash of a is equals to f dash of pi by 3, that is equals to minus sine of pi by 3, that is a minus 0.8660. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is equals to cos of 60 degree and 30 minutes is f of 60 degree 30 minutes, that is equals to f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875, that is f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 3. That is the value of f of pi by 3 is 0.5, f dash of pi by 3 is minus 0.8660. We substitute, then you will get that is a 0.5 minus 0.0075775, and that is nothing but 0.4924225. That is the cos of 60 degree and again 30 minutes, that is equals to 0.4924. Next is again, you can see from here also. This is the function. It's a derivative. A is equals to h is equals to f of a is pi by 3, cos of pi by 3 is 0.5, f dash of a, f dash of pi by 3 minus sin of pi by 3 minus 0.8660. Formula for the approximation: f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Cos of 60 degree 30 minutes is approximately equal to f of 60 degree 30 minutes. F of pi by 3 plus h into f dash of pi by 3. 0.5 plus 0.00875 minus 0.8660. After their multiplication, you will get 0.4924225, and that's why cos of 60 degree 30 minutes is equals to 0.4924. Now the next problem is that is a tan of 45 degree and 40 minutes. Given that 1 degree is equals to 0.175 radian. Let f of x is equals to tan x, f dash of x is equals to sec square x. Take a is equals to 45 degree, h is equals to 40 minutes, that is a 2 upon 3 degree. It's converted, it's like this, 2 upon 3. At the 2 upon 3 into 0.175, how it comes? This is a 40 degree. Now converts, divided by 60, 40 upon 60. To convert this in degree, then you will get 2 upon 3 into 1 degree, and its a value is, that is a 0.01167. Therefore, f of a is approximately equal to f of 45. That is the tan of 45, and tan 45 is 1. F dash of a is equals to f dash of 45, that is a sec square 45, and its value is a root 2 bracket square, that is equals to 2. The formula for the approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. That is f of a plus we will substitute the values. So that is a tan of 45 degree 40 minutes is approximately f of 45 plus 0.01167 into f dash of 45. That is a 1 plus 0.01167 into 2. That is a 1 plus 0.02334. That is 1.02334. This is the value. That is the tan of 45 degree and 40 minutes. 1.02334. See this again here. That is tan of 45 degree and 40 minutes, 1 degree. Function is tan x, it's a derivative a. The value of h is 40 divided by 60, which is 2 by 3 degree. We get the value of h is 0.1167, and that is f of a is 45. F of 45, tan of 45 is 1. F dash, derivative of tan is a sec square 45 root 2 bracket square, that is a 2. Formula for the approximation, f of a plus is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of 45 plus h means what? 0.01167 into f dash of 45. F dash of 45 is 2. After their multiplication, 1 plus 0.02334. That is f dash of 45 degree 40 minutes is equals to 1.02334. And in this way, we have completed the question number 1 and 2 from this video. Now we will see all the remaining problems of this exercise in the next video. Till then, goodbye.